Even though UI President Sally Mason released a 6 point plan to address sexual assaults on campus, student activists say their work is still far from over. Out of the recent efforts, a new group called ROAR is forming to promote zero tolerance within the community.
It would be irresponsible of us to trust the statements of President Mason. Change comes from below. It's going to change. It's going to change on this campus because we insist on it, and we continue to put pressure and make changes.
They feel that the language of President Mason's 6 point plan is somewhat ambiguous, leaving concerns about the lack of concrete action.
There have been 7 years of sort of cover-ups and nepotism in regards to sexual assault numbers, what's out and what remains hidden.
UI spokesman Tom Moore told us in an email that UI leaders are dedicating a great deal of time and resources to this effort. Specifics are in the process of being determined, and developments will be shared publicly as they become available. As part of her plan, President Mason authorized the purchase of another one of these night ride vehicles. But protesters say that buying another vehicle is not getting to the root of the issue.
You should not have to go to where the vehicle is. You should be picked up where you are. So adding another vehicle to that fleet is not solving the problem.
The original protesters will keep promoting zero tolerance throughout the community. Gabriella Dunn, Daily Iowan TV.